all, my name is Rebecca and welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a very simple DIY with the set of 3 gold candlesticks from the Dollar Tree, a package of 6 picks from the Dollar Tree. I believe they were $1.75 because they are floral. They might have been $1.50, but there were 6. They were good size, a little flocked, and I'm going to use some thin gold lame ribbon and the monogrammed ornaments from the Target dollar spot. They were $1 a piece, and I picked up the J, the O, and the Y. I'm going to run the gold lame ribbon through the top of the ornament where the little hole was. I used a darning needle to wrap the ribbon around and poke it through the hole so that I could get it in there, and then I just tied a very simple shoelaced bow. I'm going to use these picks from the Dollar Tree because they were very full. They had a little bit of flocking, and they were something that I knew I could clip apart and get a lot of bang for my buck. And I know Dollar Tree Floral has gone up. I'm not happy about it. Nobody is. But occasionally you can still find very good value in the floral section at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to clip those apart, and then I'm going to hot glue them around the edge of each one of these candlesticks. I have this set of 3 that are graduating in size. So on the tallest candlestick, I'm going to put the letter J. The smallest candlestick, I'm going to put the letter O. And then on the medium-sized candlestick, I'm going to put the letter Y. After I clipped my greenery apart, I'm just going to kind of lay it on the edge. I'm not going to put it down inside the candlestick because there's no reason for that, and it's just wasteful. And so I'm going to put a little hot glue around the end of the greenery and then press that into the candlestick. Hold it until it sets really good and the glue cools, and then let it gracefully drape down the side. And I just wanted a little bit of a random look, but it will also fill up the center enough where I can rest my letters and there won't be the whole of the candlestick. So you don't have to fill up the center in order to get a nice filled area. Now you can customize this however you like. You can use the black candlesticks if that matches your decor better. I'm mixing my silver and gold because I love silver and gold at Christmas time. I think it's elegant, but I love the sparkle and the shine. It just makes my heart happy. But you can take this and make this fit your decor however you like. You can make it as elegant as you want. You can also make it as extravagant as you would like. You can also make it a rustic piece. You can also paint the monogrammed ornaments. They are plastic. And you can also paint the candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. So just take my idea, make something fabulous for yourself. But this is a very budget-friendly DIY that turned out so darling. In the end, I'm just tickled pink with it. I always say that I'm only here to provide inspiration, show you what my idea is, in hopes that you take that idea and make something beautiful and fabulous yourself. Once I have my greenery all glued onto my candlestick, then I'm going to put some hot glue on the bottom of my monogrammed ornament, and I'm going to nestle that into the greenery. I will hold it until the glue cools and it dries so that it's nice and sturdy and steady and it will stand upright. I picked everything up for this DIY from either the Dollar Tree or the Target Dollar Spot, so it's very budget friendly. It's also very easy to create. It's a simple DIY, but yet it's beautiful and customizable to a lot of different decors. I chose the word joy because my hope for this holiday season is that each one of my friends experience a season full of joy. While you're watching this video, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video, and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate the time that you spend with me and the community that we have built here on YouTube. I do crafting, Dollar Tree beauty reviews, budget home makeovers, I do cooking, you name it, I do it. If I do something, I always show you exactly what I am up to. So thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.